from around the globe, bringing you a constant variety of HR and tech news, as well as insightful and incredibly helpful opinion. It's the Right Job Now Report.
Hey, Mark with RightJobNow here today to actually talk about one of my pet peeves. The title of today's topic is, I'm a job seeker, please help me. So one of my pet peeves with healthcare pages, career sites, organizations is the fact that they assume that I have absolute perfect knowledge of their organization. Look, the fact that the majority of your applicants, probably in the upper 80 percentile, are familiar with you as an organization shouldn't make any difference in terms of how much detail you provide on your career site or career pages. You should treat every visitor to your career section as if they know absolutely nothing about you. I mean, if I were to visit your hospital webpage, would they treat patients or potential patients as all-knowing and just put a big banner on the homepage that says, "We're open, come on down for healthcare"? Of course not. So why would you treat candidates that way? Here are a few thoughts for you to consider when organizing your content, job titles, job postings, and other information that you provide job candidates. Number one, include the name, address, and clinical services offered for your facility or facilities. Describe what they are. Is it a hospital, clinic group, physician group, outpatient services? You want the who, what, and where. If you want more well-informed candidates, then you got to provide the details that they'll need to be more well-informed. Number two, slim down your job titles. Keep it simple. If you have to break out clinical roles for nurses and allied health professionals, so be it. But if you can get away with simple titles, please do it. When it comes to your keyword searches, they would benefit from that simplicity. Number three, stop using floor names and such for units. No one knows where the heck 3 South is and what they do. Take that out of the job title. Stick it in a job post and tell me what it is. Is it Med-Surg, Med-Onc, SICU, Peds? Name the department, not the floor. Number four, write good job posts. Be really clear about the requirements you have for any particular position and write it in plain English. If you'd like to read a little bit about writing a good job post, we have a blog post called Better Recruiting Starts with Writing Better Job Posts. Find the link here at the bottom, click through, read it. It's a great read. Number five, always make sure that candidates can access the information they need from anywhere on your career page or career site and that they can get to it quickly and easily. Good information architecture is critical, and having easy-to-use site navigation is phenomenally important as well. Look, we all know job candidates are different from patients, so let's not treat them the same. Set your career section apart from your patient site and focus on your career section on your recruitment marketing. The messages are entirely different for each audience, so why munge them all up together? Help job seekers learn about all that you have to offer. And in the process, I bet they're going to be so impressed with the information they've gotten, they're going to apply for a job. You need to focus on being a great storyteller. It's a competitive market today for clinicians, and you need everything that you can throw into your recruitment marketing arsenal to find the candidates that you need. Start with the low-hanging fruit. Start with your career site and your job search.
It's not a tumor. It's not a tumor at all.